The Chief Minister has clarified that major decisions are not taken individually in cabinet meetings but through a structured government process. He said an ordinance has been brought in, transferring key powers related to local elections to the Election Commission. He added that a step was taken based on public demand to ensure fair and transparent election procedures, while routine cabinet meetings continue as usual for administrative decisions. The Chief Minister further stated that the government is focused on fulfilling its promises and completing ongoing commitments, including infrastructures and healthcare-related work such as district hospital. He said all announcements and developments are being implemented in a planned and a systematic manner.
कॅबिनेटात आज मेजर डिसिजन्स तशी काय नाशिल्ली व्हडलीशी ओके बट वी हॅव कम अप विथ अ ऑर्डिनन्स दॅट पावर्स ज्यो आसा त्यो सगळ्यो इलेक्शन्स कमिशनाक दिवपाच्यो लोकल इलेक्शन्सच्यो तो एक ऑर्डिनन्स पास केला बिकॉज लास्ट डिमांडूय आशिल्ली सो दॅट बाकी सगळ्यो पावर्स ते इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन दिता इतकें मेजर डिसिजन आशिल्लें बाकीचे रुटीन कॅबिनेटाचे इश्यूज ते आशिल्ले आनी काय नाही.
सीएम फोंड्या तुमी थोडी अनाउन्समेंट केल्ली हॉस्पिटलां हे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल ते सगळे तुमकां लेटरूय केला आसता हेजें
सगळें जितकें आमी प्रॉमिस केलें तितकें कंप्लीट करता.